Hello friends, today I will discuss about the organic chemistry practical. Practical number first is purification of organic compound in experiment number first. Aim of this practical to purify the given organic compound by crystallization. Firstly, the introduction of the crystallization. After preparation of organic compound, it is essential to recrystallize it using suitable solvent. The prepared organic compound may contain some soluble and inorganic impurities which are removed by crystallization method. The insoluble impurities after crystallization remains on filter paper while soluble impurities are left behind in the mother liquor. That is the crystallization technique having removed by crystallization method or purification process. Next is the selection of a solvent for crystallization. Firstly, the solvent should be such that a given organic must be insoluble in that solvent at the room temperature and completely soluble in it under hot condition. Second is that the solvent must be easily available and should be cheap. Third one is that the solvent should not react with organic compound. And fourth one is that the choice of solvent is made in the following order. First one is the water, second alcohol, and third one is the alcohol plus water mixture. First is the from hot water. Take above 0.5 gram of the substance in a clean test tube. Add 5 ml distilled water and heat it. Contain test tube holder. Shake the test tube during heating till most of the compound dissolve in. In this way, prepare a saturated solution in the substance in water. Add more water if compound does not dissolve. The next point is filter the hot solution through the dry fluoresced filter paper into another test tube. The insoluble impurities remains on filter paper, which should be discarded. The filtered on natural cooling. Deposit fine crystal. After cooling it, crystal are not obtained. Concentrate and the filtered by heating on wire gauze and then cool it again. And next, the now filter the crystal is a Hirsch funnel and distill water to remove. Hold the test tube under hot air flow and using hair dryer and collect dry crystal on paper. Find the melting point of these substances. Next point is from alcohol. In the given substance is insoluble in hot water, then water cannot be used for recrystallization. Then ethyl alcohol is tried. Take about 0.5 gram of substance in a clean and dry test tube. Add about 5 ml ethyl alcohol and place one porcelain piece in it. Then hold the tube in hot water bath with constant shaking till most of the substance dissolve. Filter the hot solution through dry fluted filter paper into another test tube. The insoluble impurities remain in filter paper, which should be discarded. The filter on natural cooling. Deposit fine crystal. If crystal are not obtained on cooling and little distilled water, filter this crystal on a Hirsch funnel or remove the solvent from the test tube by using rubber treat pipette. Hold the test tube under the hot air flow. Use hair dryer and collect the dry crystal on paper. Find its melting point. And next and third one point is from water plus alcohol added. If a given substance is insoluble in water but soluble in the cold alcohol, then pure water in pure alcohol can be used for recrystallization. In such cases, combination of water alcohol in drying proportions is used. And next is the sublimation technique. Sublimation is a process in which the substance heating directly passes into the vapor state without the first passes into the liquid state. The vapor get collected on the cooler part. It gives purely crystal. The procedure of this sublimation technique and sublimation hints, that is the diagrammatically. Firstly, cotton plug on funnel, wet cotton. Next is the sublimate crude substances, that is performed plate and cylinder. This is the procedure of the sublimation technique. Firstly, take the given substance in a dry evaporating dish kept in a sand bath supported on a tripod stand. The dish is covered with a filter paper which has been performed with a number of small holes. In inverted funnel is placed over the filter paper as shown in figure. The nozzle of the funnel is closed with the cotton plug. The dish gently heated so that the vapors which passes through the holes deposit in pure crystal on the inner side of the funnel. The crystals are also collected on the filter paper. Find out the melting point of crystalline substance. This is the procedure of sublimation technique. And hint, this method is used under the following conditions. First one is the given organic compound is insoluble in hot water and hot alcohol plus water as a solvent. It is used only for solid compound, and resultable solvent used for crystallization and melting point of the crystallization compound. Thank you for